Hello, in this video I will introduce you to how to operate an Excel document in the Go language. The Xlines is a library written in pure Go, providing a set of functions that allow you to write and read from XLSX files. Install the Xlines by GoGet. Well, now it's installed. The first example is read the content of the Excel document named Online Sales Tracker 1. I will open this document with Excel software first and show you the contents and the style of the document. Create a file called 01.read.go. Define package name mine. Import standard format library and Xlines library. Create main function. Open the file using the open file method provided by Xlines, and don't forget to do the error checking and processing. Skip the chart area, traverse the rows variable, and output the content. Perform this program validation effect when you are finished. You can see that the result obtained by the program are in line with expectations. In the following example, we write a program using the Go language to generate the documents as shown like this. As in the previous example, first import standard format library and Xlines library. Create main function. Declare categories, variable definition, classification. Declare that the values variable defines the value of each cells in the B2, D4 area. Set the values of each cell based on the categories and the values. Save the file as 02.create.go. Execute the program and using Excel application to open the generated file to verify the effect. Add a chart to Excel document. Next, continue with the above, creating a chart based on the data from the previous example. First, import standard format library and Xlines library. Create main function. Create a chart by addChart method. The first parameter of the function is the name of the worksheet. The second parameter is the cell coordinates. And the third parameter is the chart property formatted in JSON. We need to declare the properties of the chart in JSON format, such as categories, values, titles, etc. Save the file as 03.chart.go. Execute the program and use Excel application to open the generated file to verify the effect. Add a picture to Excel document. I will show you how to use Xlise to add an image to an Excel document. First, import standard format library and Xlise library. Create a main function. Add an image to the Excel document by the addPicture method provided by Xlise. The first parameter of the function is the name of the worksheet. The second parameter is the cell coordinate. And the third parameter is the path of the image. The last parameter is the properties of the pictures in JSON format. We need to declare the properties of the image in JSON format, such as offset, scale, etc. Save the file as 04.picture.go. Execute the program and use the Excel application to open the generated file to verify the effect. Please visit the GitHub repo URL on the screen to view the source code. Thanks for your watching.